before I came to Denver almost 23 years ago, I was in Germany getting my education in background in medical physics. And because I was always very fascinated with physics and imaging and looking something inside of the body. And after completing my PhD there, I went to Stanford and to UCSF to do my postdoctoral fellow on pretty much PK/PD in imaging. So just looking how the body responds to the medication. And this is when my cancer research journey has started, because I was working on the effects of Gleevec. It was the first targeted therapy by Novartis to treat cancer. And when we have seen that this drug can produce treatment response within 24 hours in chronic myelogenous leukemia patients using PET-CT, it was phenomenal. It was really when I decided that I really want to just check how I can contribute to the treatment of the patients using medical imaging and follow up the treatment response in the patients who are treated with the targeted therapy. This is a good question. I think probably the most important and most challenging was just to find your, I would say, research niche, something which you really are unique about and you really can contribute the best. What really needed in cancer research, but also what you're passionate about, because I think everyone who's doing cancer research needs to be passionate about this, and I just want to contribute. And once I found it that, like for example, in Colorado there was no preclinical imaging before I came here, so this was a very challenging decision to find where to go, where to invest your time and your knowledge. But once I found it, everything just fell into the places. I would probably tell myself that never give up, because even if something is not working from the first time, from the second time, just if you really think that you are good in whatever you try to achieve, just be persistent. So I would say never give up and just follow your mission. I definitely enjoy to walk my dog, being with my family. I'm not enjoying skiing that much anymore. Somehow it went away during the pandemic. And also I really like hiking. So this is probably when I move to Colorado, I will really learn how to hike, and we have a great team of friends who try to do it like almost every week. I think it's Thanksgiving, and it's probably because it's something new to me. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Germany. This is where I was growing up. I don't think we have any Thanksgiving in Ukraine. It's where I was born. So it was quite new to me when I moved to the United States. And I think it has a lot of meaning, this holiday, beside being together with your family, but it also just to be thankful for this country, for this environment, for other people supporting and contributing to your life, and also opportunity to thank for me being able to contribute to the society and to the family and to other people's lives as well. So I would say that I improved somebody's life, but I think it was like a mutual enhancement and helping each other to go through the difficult time. When I just moved to Colorado, I was really thinking to get very involved in contributing to the pediatric oncology. So I started working with Leah Gore and Nick Foreman at the Children's Hospital, who are phenomenal doctors. And we had one patient who I got really involved with. He had an astrocytoma and he was only 4 years old. And he was very, very sick after all treatment, and just helping him and his family, doing like new imaging on this little boy, and seeing how resilient children are and how remarkably, miraculously he has recovered. It was wonderful, and I think it just really gave me an inspiration that you should never be giving up, always fighting. And I think it's also helped him and his family just on his way to recovery. And it's great to know that he's still doing great and he's living happily ever after. It was great. This is another very good question, and I think it's very important to be passionate about what you do, because I think it is a very difficult area of clinical care and also of research, just to see very sick patients. So you definitely have to be passionate. But I think it's also very important, especially if you're pursuing a leadership role, it's just help younger generation, the students, the fellows and junior faculty, just to find their way to contribute, to do their research, to take care of the patients, and even sometimes help them to work on the emotional burden, which seeing sick patients can reveal in all of us. I speak 5 languages pretty much fluently, and this is quite interesting. So my PhD thesis was written in perfect German, which is quite difficult. I can read Russian and Ukrainian, can read Dostoevsky, have read Dostoevsky. Yeah, and I really enjoyed to learn even more languages. This probably is something which not many people know about me.